In order to move on with our planet project for the Big 6, you will need to be in your Schoology course at isd728.schoology.com. Click on Courses and go down to the blue 4. Choose My Course from the list. Choose the purple Research folder. And then 4th grade Planet Research Project. Many of you are done with task definition. There was a quiz here. Make sure that you see a green check mark that shows that that's done. And then what information do I need? This was the section where you needed to list the 6 questions that you wanted to ask about the planet that you were doing. So you would fill in your planet name here and then list your 6 questions. When you are done, that should be submitted. Once you have finished asking those 6 questions, you use your breadcrumbs and you go back to information seeking strategies. In information seeking strategies, there is another matching quiz. Where can you find the information you need? It is a single question. Match the information you will need to a source you would use to find the information. There are more sources than you will need. You will not use all of them. So complete that. At the bottom it will say Review Answers. Click on that and then click Submit. That is completed. The next step is going to Location and Access. In Location and Access, you will find sources that I have chosen for you for each one of your planets. These are database resources in the ELM databases. Find your planet. You will need to choose 2 of the 3 sources. Just like you would never check out a book without looking through it and making sure it was a good fit, you need to look at all of your sources and pick the 2 that you feel are the best fit for you. If I click on the first source for Mercury, I can now look at the information that comes up. I can also listen to it read out loud if I click on the speaker. Looks like this is going to take a little bit of time to load for me today, but that is how you would access it. Number 2. And sometimes these may take a little longer to load. They're reaching out to a different website. You may also listen to this one read aloud by clicking here. So preview all 3 of the options and pick the 2 that you think are going to be your best choices. After you've done that, you'll go back. So at this point you should have completed task definition, completed information seeking strategies, chosen your resources from Location and Access, and where we're going to stop today is Use of Information. When you go into Use of Information, there is a note-taking form, and this is where you want to open this up. You will begin to take your notes about your planet. Notice it asks for a source number over here, and you are using fact fragments. So for example, I'm going to go back to Schoology, use my breadcrumbs, go back to Location and Access, and pull up one of those databases. So for this one, notice Funk and Wagnall's New World Encyclopedia is source 2. So on my note-taking form, I would type in source 2, and then I would take my notes. I'm looking for those answers to the 6 questions that we completed. So if one of my questions was, how far away from the sun is Mercury? Here it says the average distance from the sun is approximately 58 million kilometers, about 36 million miles. So back in my note-taking form, I might write 36 million miles from sun. And that would be all I need. We do not take notes in complete sentences. Then I would continue on looking for those answers. You will need 10 notes about your planet. So answer those 6 questions if possible, and find additional facts about your planet that you would find useful, thinking about the fact that you will need to create an alien with adaptations for your planet. If you get this far and you finish your notes, then you will go to Typing Agent for the rest of the class.